So it was an emotional affair?
It's an emotional affair still going on at this moment.
You know, sometimes I think it's worse having that than the physical part.
I don't know what we're talking about here. Like, you've never kissed her or anything? You're just really nice to each other?
No, just really connected. Talked about our kids and everything like that, and it just kind of went from there. She told me she had feelings for me, and I told her the same thing.
Hey, go on Slack right now.
All the emotional affairs are happening on Slack. So, how long you been married?
10 years.
Oh, boy. What are you going to do about that, bro?
I couldn't tell you. It still hasn't turned romantic, but the feelings are definitely there. So
Since it hasn't turned romantic, you still have the time to pump the brakes.
I definitely can, but it's kind of hard.
So you're feeling like you're weak, and any minute now, the physical part's going to happen.
The physical attraction is definitely there, but that's not what's piquing my interest.